Hey guys, Steve Glover from Paragon Homes here. Just wanted to touch base with a quick little video. I was talking to one of our clients there about a block they'd purchased, and just wanted to probably explain a couple little things that we picked up on this one in particular. So they were a bit down actually. They'd purchased this block previously off the plan before works had happened on site, and it come back an E, which is a bit of an average soil test. So in the scheme of things, they're a bit down on their bit down in the dumps, realising that this is going to cost them probably a bit extra money in foundations. Typically the worse soil, the higher cost of foundations are going to be. So we had a little catch up with them. They brought it in, went through, and we're actually able to find out through the bore log. So this is a bit of information at the back of the soil test. Generally gets overlooked by a lot of people. That tells you what sort of materials they come in at different depths of the test. And by actually investigating a little bit and looking into this, we found that at about 600 to 800 mil mark below the soil, we got down onto some decayed rock, which is actually a really good foundation for building your home. So what we've done now is we've put a plan in place to actually excavate all this reactive material, get rid of it out of the building house pad, and we'll dig a borrow pit off site because we've got enough room on site. So we'll dig off, and we're going to replace the building pad site with this decayed rock, and that's going to bring us back to a H1. So this is just a great result for our clients. They've realised it's not going to cost them a great deal in excavation, and it probably will save them a few bucks at the end of the day in relative with the cost of what the E-type footings would be as opposed to the H1. And at the end of the day, even if it's not really a cost saving, the peace of mind they're going to get by having their home on a solid foundation, a H1, just takes all that chance of having a high reactivity, sort of your driveways lifting, cracks in your cornice, typical of what you can see on the black soils around this area. So it just goes to show, while it might all seem doom and gloom, at the end of the day, if you're looking at it, there could be light at the end of the tunnel. So advise you, when you do buy your block, have a look at this. If you don't really understand, have a chat to either the soil tester or a builder to get their view on what it actually means and what you can and can't do to maybe able to save you some money at the end of the day. So yeah, if you've enjoyed this video, please like and share, comment below if you've got any questions regarding this. But we've also put together a little building group called the Paragon Inner Sanctum, and what this is just a group of like-minded people looking at building, have built with other builders, not necessarily just with my company, and we just really want to share experiences so we can make a better building journey for anybody who's looking at building a home, an investment, some units, anything really. So we can learn from other people's experiences and not make mistakes that have all been made and could be costly, save you a few dollars. So what I'll do, I'll put the link to the group in the comments below. The application process is you just click to join if you're interested. There'll be a couple of questions for you just to go through, and then you're in there, and we'd love to hear from you, start a few conversations, and go from there. So hope you've enjoyed this video. This has been Steve Glover from Paragon Homes, signing out. Cheers.